Look at the snow. It's crazy. I don't even know how many inches it is. Maybe 20. So, I don't know. There's people driving though. The roads look like they high a little bit. I gotta get up out here. Deep. Getting on the road though. Look at that truck. Look at that. They clearing the snow down here. I think 7-Eleven open. Yeah, and it's still snowing out there. Put it by the lights, you see. If it's still snowing, yeah. I gotta get over the truck. I don't get hit by that. I don't. Yeah, that snow crush. Hey, I ain't wanna slide up under that. But I'm good though. But nah, all these inches of snow. Say we're gonna get 2 feet. Y'all, yeah, people out here. You see, it's crazy. It's crazy out here. Look at that. And then I hear birds out here too. Gotta get over there. 7-Eleven. I'm gonna just walk around this way right here. This way. See where the tire tracks are. Deep as hell. Deep as hell right over here. Yeah. Finally made it to 7-Eleven. Made it. That shit. Sales, getting the stuff on the side. And then there's a car coming in the front. I gotta get up around this shit.